This waterfall has the highest Google rating in Cebu. Even higher than the famous Kawasan Falls. Where is it and how much would it cost? Dao Falls is located in South Cebu and can be reached in 4 to 5 hours. I've seen a lot of 5-star reviews for the falls, but we have this one guy named Max who gave the falls a 2-star. The falls is 5-star, however, the pricing is not fixed, he said. Let me go ahead and look into it. The first thing you'll notice when you arrive is the usable parking area and its parking fee. They have this Dao Falls sign, this registration area, this comfort room for comfort, of course. You will also meet this nice, caring, lovely consultant. Thank you.
Salamat po sa inyong pagbisita.
The entrance fee for the waterfall is 200 pesos. This includes the power helmet, the life jacket, the shoes, and the tour guide fee.
Attire check tabi. Hi.
The walk would take 30 to 40 minutes. We first descended 158 steps to reach the bamboo bridge.
Here's a power.
Bamboo bridge.
Oh look, water. Oh yung kaya. Oh my god. Oh, should go slowly. Whoa, it's shaking, guys. It's shaking. Okay. Oh my god, the best tour guide ever. Migo, can you tell us your name, Migo? Francis. Oh, hi Francis.
Madawat bibisita is Photobras 4.
The tour guide advised us to walk slowly when walking on them because these rocks are so slippery.
Lindley, come here. Faster.
We were astounded by the location's beauty and how enchanted it felt to be a part of this nature. We finally arrived at the Dao Falls after a lengthy and enjoyable trek. Allow me to show you how stunning this location is.
What? Experience Dao Falls! Beautiful, guys!
Yo, Kiko, catch! Whoa! Nice one! Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday! This is really resting area. We only have one chair for the whole family. We only have one chair for the whole family. Oh my god, slide. Lumpia.
We hurried back because the rain was getting worse. One of my friends slipped in these rocks by accident. So always be cautious. Fortunately, no major injuries occur, and we were grateful to our guide for keeping us safe.
Dito tananoy ka ng dark cable. Nga, okay ra ta, nga okay ra ko. Okay ra ta diha ko.
One thing is for sure, Dao is one of my favorite falls in Cebu. Nya uganahan sa ka guys, pwede rin mo like, share, invite ninyong mga writer nga friends nga unsa kanindot ug kabarato sa Dao Falls.
Yes, salamat sisa.
Bitaw guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Slide. Small boy.